Hey guys, Trina here. Welcome to day 29 of 30 Days of Art. Today I'm working on a canvas with some golden acrylic inks, and we're going to play around with a new toy, the airbrush that I got, and see if we can blow around some paint. I'm going to warn you, I really hated this painting, and then after I shut off the video, I sprayed it down with water, and you will see the end result, which I love. So pretty much all of this laying down of color is going to be for nothing, because in the end I'm just going to let it do its thing. So enjoy this video, and please note at the end you'll see the final product after I sprayed it down with a misting of water and let the colors sort of run on their own, which is a more organic, kind of fun way to paint. But we'll see. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you back tomorrow for the last day of this project. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Chat soon. Bye.